now it is. You have no brakes?
I'm thinking it doesn't have any.
Appears to be a lacking fluid.
The angle that you have it, it's almost impossible to get fluid in.
Appears to be lacking fluid in there.
Check this angle out.
That's only a minor problem, right?
Yeah, who needs this stuff? Screw up like I did and just stick your feet down.
Chain appears to be adjusted about right, Fred.
Okay.
You like that? You happy with that? A little tight. Work.
How are you gonna get a damn...
What?
Keyways like...
Tiny axle up, so.
Huh?
Tiny axle up.
Some kind of ways to go. Maybe you need to set it on the ground.
It's picking the bike up.
Yeah, why don't you set it on the ground?
There's one over here came out of it.
I think your nut's too big.
There you go. Pile.
Okay.
Yeah. Put it over in the pile. Gone now. Oh, here it is right here.
Oh, it's just a little wire.
Oh, it's a Cotter key.
Yeah.
What's left of one?
What's left of a Cotter key and you can barely get it in.
This was too fat. It goes in that far. Goes into that far. What do you think?
I think you're flossing a nerve.
Not gonna work?
Nice.
Gotta have a Cotter key, can't race without it. Appears to be a problem, Fred.
It appears to be, you don't have any crown nuts to put on there?
Nope. Got my nut I'm gonna use right there. That is my favorite nut. Using it. Now what we're going to use for a Cotter key is a completely different situation. It needs a long, skinny one. I have a lot of long ones here, but not that long.
Looks like you might have to hit that with a hammer a couple more times to get it tighter. Use another half a thread.
These are pretty short. These aren't very long, Fred.
No, that's not going to work.
Why not?
First off, it's too fat.
It's too fat. Goes at an angle like that just fine.
Oh. Second is the umpire needs to see it bent over against itself. That's not going to happen with that.
No, that's not part of the rules. It just has to be installed.
I think we can create another Tatro rule. It's like, hey, it's stuck in there.
I've been accused of having issues with my Cotter keys before. Usually they can't see it.
Among many other issues.
I used a little nail on the other one. They said they couldn't see it. I said, you didn't look hard enough.
Oh.
Appears that we are lacking a long 16th one. The longest one I got is not very long. That could be a problem.
You did all this work and you're not going to race because you can't find a Cotter key?
Oh, I'll find a Cotter key.
Or that Cotter key, brother.
Brand new one too. Look at that. Appreciate that. Look at that thing.
Oh, look at it. It's too shiny for a Tatro.
It almost fits in there.
I need to rub it against the dirt.
See, it almost fits in there.
Take a torch to it.
Torch!
Hit that sumbitch with a hammer. Put a big old nut on it.
See, what was the hammer? My axle?
It appears you're going to take that all the way off. Do some grinding.
Make a castle nut out of it.
Make a castle, a partial
He'll
castle.
be happy.
Can we put the thing down?
It appears to be air.
Making the people on the camera sick while they're bouncing around.
I'm sick all the time. Okay. This is a hard nut too.
Get your air
The
grinder.
grinder's back there.
You have an air grinder standing up on the bench up there?
No. There's a motor right there. Maybe we'll do something different.
We're going to do complete machining setup. Oh no, we're just going to do it. Sorry if I'm low, guys. Been a while since I operated a camera. Don't be upset. You gonna just cut the whole thing down?
No. I'm going to pick a tool that we might think might actually work. I'm trying to figure out which one is going to actually do anything. Neither one of these is going to do what I want to do.
Oh my god. Oh, let's see.
Not made correctly. This in here I can maybe.
He's looking a side grinder.
I don't think it'll grind because I think it's worn out. But we'll try it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, right?
Of course. Like everything else.
Can't see shit.
Come, bring the back end over here. Back over here. The back end on this side.
Why don't I just go over here and move it?
Well, there you go too.
Fancy. Now it's blows in my face, so it's all right.
Seems to be not 180 apart. It doesn't even look like you're.
It's not really doing much.
It's not doing much, dude.
And it's in the wrong spot because it's moving.
You're not doing anything.
Because the
It's
grinder,
just cleaning it up.
the grinder don't work very well, Fred.
Well, it doesn't have a cutting wheel. It has a freaking polishing
I
where
mean,
you
that
want it.
doesn't work. What's
It's
left?
a polisher.
There used to be a grinder wheel there, but it's not there anymore. I tried. I didn't think it was going to work. But...
Because you got the wrong damn part for the wrong.
Well, you know, there appears to be a few missing things from the move. Replacement
Not
grinding disc.
necessarily missing. They're not necessarily missing. You just can't find them.
It's almost in the right. It was all right here until it moved over.
All right, we'll have to see. Take a file to it.
It's hard. It's a hard nut, Fred. Plenty of room.
Giant air compressor you really don't need, huh?
Yeah, that one keeps failing, so at some point I will need it.
Okay.
Move.
Box is flying! Incoming!
There's be a lot of crap in the way, Fred. Uh-oh. That's a welder.
That looks like it might be heavy. It says plasma cutter.
It's a welder. It's like new. Yeah, look what I found. I'm getting close.
Excuse me.
Where's that nut at? Where's that nut, Fred? Okay.
We'd have to go backwards in time and figure out where the damn thing was.
I'm gonna get back to this
You want me to close this thing off or you wait till you're done? Oh. Alright, hang on. Hey, what's up? So we did a little grinding, and he's gonna do a little beating. Flatten that out. Is there something in the hole?
No, it's still. Seems to be curvy.
Yeah. There you go. It's almost through. One more nudge. There you go. That would appear to do the trick, right? Nope. There you go. What's up?
Very professional looking. They'll be happy. If they're not happy, too bad. Seems still good. Alright, sipping out.